Hi there. Today, our topic is about policies and procedures, Part 2. We have a dialogue between Sam, finance staff, and Michelle, finance director. After this conversation, we shall analyze the fact, discuss for any control deficiencies, and how to tackle these. Here is the conversation.
Michelle, may I ask you a question?
Yes, Sam.
In the company's shared drive, I can only see the policies issued by finance. So, is finance the only department to issue policies and procedures?
No, Sam. Finance is not the only party to issue policies. Central function groups like HR, admin, IT, etc. can also issue policies. If you want to access those policies, I shall grant you the access rights.
Thanks, Michelle. I can see those policies now. Can you give me a high-level overview on all these policies, including those issued by finance?
Sure. In general terms, for a normal trading business, the majority of policies are issued by the finance department as they have a controlling role. Finance needs to collaborate with other departments to set high-level rules for compliance by the whole organization. Example of these like inventory controls and obsolescence policy with operation team. Procurement policy, inventory related with operation team. Procurement policy, IT and admin related with IT and admin team. Sales invoicing and accounts receivable policy with sales team. Credit management and collection policy with sales team. Intercompany policy with sales team. Contract management policy. And delegation of authority policy with CEO office. Other policies like petty cash policy, cash in advance policy, tax compliance and reporting policy, accounts payable and payment policy, bank account maintenance policy, capital expenditure policy, financial records and documentation policy, foreign exchange management policy, are more related to the finance operation. However, even if it is more related to finance, updating seminars to other stakeholders should include some of the above finance policies for their understanding and compliance. Like capital expenditure policy, what is considered capital expenditures and the threshold amount. Like petty cash policy, how to make reimbursement. Like cash in advance policy, in what circumstances can claim cash in advance and how to report. Like accounts payable and payment policy, what are the standard payment terms for a vendor, how to manage exceptions to the rule. Like how to link up procurement policy with accounts payable and payment policy. Contract management policy and delegation of authority policy. For HR, they also have like exit policy stating what are the high-level rules when a staff left the company. Door access policy stating the high-level rules around door access in office, in warehouse, or any premises. Payroll and tax policy stating the high-level rules related to payroll and related tax matters. For IT, it can include a number of policies, some are for users and some are for IT internal use. Policies may include users' access rights, access to server room, firewall system, database, etc.
Thanks, Michelle. Are these policies standard ones?
Well, it depends company by company. From the company's standpoint, do they want to set high-level rules and key control measures on this topic? Like, for example, exit policy. Some company may decide not to issue this exit policy to control the procedures of leaving employees. However, when internal audit reports stated that the company need one due to some risks identified, they have to issue the policy to mitigate the risks.
Thanks, Michelle. Now I fully understood. Thanks for your time.
The questions from Sam are sensible. Michelle has given him a quick overview on different policies. In general, finance has taken up an active role in the development of companies' policies. They work in collaboration with other key teams to issue key policies for compliance by the whole organization. Finance also takes part in orientation of policies communicating to those who need to know for their compliance. To recap, here are the key control points. Not all policies are the same for each company. The company will decide on which topics need to set high-level rules and control measures for compliance by the whole organization or to specific teams or departments. The company which has not considered to issue policy for a specific topic for now, they can issue later when the risks level is getting higher for that topic. These comments could be from an events that happened recently, or from internal audit reports, or even from third parties. Thanks for your time in watching this episode. If you like this channel, please give me a like, subscribe to this channel, and share with your friends and colleagues who may find this useful to them. Next episode is about segregation of duties, Part 2. Please turn on the notification bell for update of new episode. Stay tuned